umuntu wami angasanginayo. Kunjani?
Siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila.
Siyaphila nathi.
Usofikile?
Sikhona.
Usuyibonile indlu yakho?
Yes.
Ngicela uyongikhombisa. Uma ngabe nje basefikile ehleli la kuzohlala khona uMakomalo, I think bazojabula kakhulu. Ulate uma yena ukufika, kodwa ungitshelile ukuthi uzoqala kaMlungu kuyima efika lana. So ngicabanga ukuthi kuzomphatha kabi ukuthi uhlaliswe nabantu angazwani nabo. Kodwa ke mhlambe kukhona okuhle singakuthola egcineni kosuku okungaphuma ukuthi uhlale nabo. Wow.
Yes.
Yabona, angishaye eqaleni.
Yeah.
Ngiphathele ibhokisi present.
I didn't expect anything, so ngiyangijabulisa ukuthola le gift engiyifica phansi kombhede.
Nekhadi lakho.
Alright.
Nekhadi lakho.
Bengithi ngizolifunda masengedwa.
Ulibonile?
Ngilibonile.
Yeah.
So ngisengabona libhalwe kaningi. Ngicela ungivulele incwadi. Incwadi ithi inezinyoni ithi angidize. Bese ibhalwa ngokuthi ke sawubona Mangwabe. Ngesikhathi ufika la ekhaya kuningi esakuthembisa khona. Mhlambe okunye sikwenzile, okunye akwenzekanga. Kukhona mina njengomseleko engikwenzile futhi okubi nokuhle. Sizamile njengomndeni kukho konke. Ngiyafisa ngoba siya ku retreat ukhulume okuphakathi okusenhlizweni yakho. Noma kuhle noma kubi. Uma kuzosilekelela njengomndeni ukuthi sikwazi ukuphumela ngaphesheya. Siwumndeni sinokuzwana ukuze sikwazi ukunqoba. Akumina obalulekile la futhi angisoze ngabaluleka ngoba sisebenzile sonke njengomndeni. Uma kuukuthi akukho futhi okuhle engikwenzile, ayikho inkinga. Ngicela ukhululeke ukhulume uhlambulule inhliziyo yakho. Ngiyabonga. Yimi owakho. Khohle ukuthi owethu.
Okay guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we speak about anything and everything under the sun. There is no topic that is off limits. Everything goes, every soap washes here. Please make sure you do subscribe and it's free, and then please make sure to you leave a comment. Let's talk on the comment section. And please do press like. You have nothing to lose. Press like. Okay, cool. You guys, I'm wearing my hijab because it is so cold today. And Tennessee single. That's a skotola kakhulu. Tennessee nginamuntu. Ebo, and then ngimbathile ngisho ngibatha. So we see Umangwabe here reading a letter. I think one thing that I wanna discuss today is the fact that no matter what have happened between Umseleko and Umangwabe, Umangwabe has never disrespected Umseleko. Like disrespect ngalendlela ukuthi sibone mhlawumbe amkhombe ngimi like mayena would do amkhombe ngeminwe like how Thobile would do aphakamise izandla. Mangwabe is very, I think I'm just realizing now, she's so calm, she's so collected, she's calmer, and uyabona usikhona tension njengamanje benomseleko. You could see, you could tell, but ayikho into emenza ukuthi njengamanje adinwe or angazi ngifuna ukuthi no ngiyazi na yini manje ngifuna ukuyibeka kahle. Ayikho ngaze ngayihasha bo ayibo. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Does not matter. So collagen ngazi yasiza yini. Hey so fast zwile sihambe siphuza kwasana umuntu usezoshona. So I think Umangwabe respect husband work, respect Umseleko. I don't see, or I've never seen Umangwabe appoint Umseleko ngemini emhlohloloza wekhuluma ngendlela engasile na. Even though Umangwabe always upset with Umseleko, we do believe ukuthi uthanda usekho kubona. But uyambona njengamanje uyasukuma uya-appreciate uyayifunda iletha uthi lo yifunda uyayifunda lo munye uyinqabile iletha favorite yami but I mean akayifundanga but this one is reading the letter and even indlela asho ngakhona ukuthi nginyathele you know mhlambe yebo kuphuma enhliziyweni akekho happy kodwa ayikho akadiniwe like akakhombisi she's upset but then you don't see it that she's upset akafana labanye ukuthi engayabi out there ukukhulumela phansi I think nginosisa namhlanje ukuthi ukukhulumela phansi okay yebo injani siyaphila okay but uyabona ukuthi there's a crack in a relationship uma umseleko raises indaba yocansi ukuthi uthe namhlanje kuyabanda ngobe namehlo she then walks away if she walks away she's trying to akafuna ukukhuluma but she pretends as if she's laughing like you know mawufuna ukwenza into like yeah and then uyaphuma to avoid the situation ukuthi babe bawu2 benomseleko and then she leaves bayahamba keke babuyela inzansi kuThobile and then usiyasho kumselo ukuthi ngiyakushiya nomngane wakho la uThobile akamkhulumanga kabi akazange amahahameza but what I do not like about uMangwabe is the fact ukuthi akaqale manje uncisha umseleko ucansi and this thing of umseleko having to find another wife it makes sense if all of you guys are starving me with sex what do you want me to do? I'm a man. He's 50. He's still a man. Akafani nomuntu onkosikazi osemdala uthi hayi mina ngisakwazi. Umseleko indoda ucansi uyalidinga uyalifuna even a 70-year-old to have sex. So if encisha uMangwabe because uyamncisha uMangwabe for sure 100% 150% uyamncisha uMangwabe ucansi. Nangu uyasho manje uthi yo phela into engajwayelekile ukuthi ngingafuna uMangwabe ucansi ngingayeka ngisho whoever ngikena what does that mean? You rather if uMangwabe had to call you and say was asizokwenza ucansi namhlanje uthi ke umseleko angashiya even the wife okade kusuke kusuku lakhe ahambe ukwenza ucansi noMangwabe because as something very rare as something engajwayelekile as something engenzakali as something that uMangwabe does not entertain so then why are you here? Now the question is why are you here? Uzokwenzana lemzini wami shishadile impela unginikezile ingane but I'm a man I've got needs now awunginikeza ucansi like nakuThobile akalithola ucansi njengamanje obviously so anifuni ngithatha umunye unkosikazi kodwa futhi wena you starving me for ucansi please guys make it make sense for sure mayene nomseleko abalalani that we could actually see alukho ucansi lapha yana uMangwabe we've always knew ukuthi ucansi uyamncisha umseleko and now uya confirm again ukuthi if uMangwabe could say nje woza ngizohamba ngoba yini uyamstaverish they are not on good terms with Thobile. It's been over a year right now where does umseleko uthatha khona ucansi umacele washo kudala wathena usegogo flow like ayiseke into enzo umacele so makamseleko so there's probably no sex even there alokhu ucansi nakhona so bathi umseleko akenze njani akabuke ilentuzane la ama computer as DJ ayenzi sense so I think what I picked up in this episode is the fact ukuthi uMangwabe is very calm uyamhlonipha umseleko even though benama differences however nje ngento eyi1 ukuthi ngiyahlala la kodwa ngeke mina ngivule imlenze of which is not fine now we see again now a friendship now we see a friendship of uThobile noMangwabe they're becoming very close yes asingaqamba manga bebezwana vele obviously because they were friends but obviously they had some issues sebekamseleko but now that there is a distance between umseleko noThobile uThobile is going more towards uMbali and umseleko uyayinothisa le nto ukuthi uyayibona ukuthi into enze uThobile as the fact ukuthi ngisekhona kwamseleko however I'm not going to entertain lawyer because we are aware ukuthi umseleko uThobile akakhulumi that much with umamkhulu obviously labazwana noma yeni so the only person ezomenza ahlale kwamseleko njengamanje owakhombisa ukuthi abe part of the show and everything uyena uMbali and they're becoming very close and umseleko makafika uyabona uThobile ukuthi uMbali is just natural yabo alright even though uMbali I believe ukuthi umseleko uba nomona I don't think ukuthi umseleko unomona for a friendship I don't think umseleko ukuthi unomona ngefriendship kaThobile benoMangwabe kodwa njengamanje it's bothering him because akazwani noThobile yabo iyambhodarisha ngoba akazwani noThobile. It's like the friendship, they're so close now. Ngalendlela ukuthi uThobile is trying to prove a point to uMselegu or make uMselegu jealous at the end of the day ukuthi I am talking to one of your wives, but I'm not talking to you. Yabo. But the same thing has made uMselegu be closer to uMbali also because akazwani noThobile njengamanje. This man is stressed, guys. Uzama ngapha like every day there's something that needs to happen. Every day uMselegu uyaphesha, uyaxolisa. It's just a lot. Like lo muntu ne-stroke. Do you think uMselegu will fully recover from his stroke sakhe from uma ngabe nenkinga engaka nabafazi bakhe? Anyway, then uMbali appreciate ama-gift, uyasho ukuthi uyabonga, happy and all of that. Uyancoma indawo ukuthi yinhle and aka-pretend. Now then we see then uMselegu-ke eya kuMaceleke, and uMaceleke umama yakhe Nkosi yami, they getting along. Macele is painting and Macele becomes emotional. Macele becomes emotional, simple the fact ukuthi when the husband had a vision yalesithembu evuma naye wengazi ukuthi kuzoba noqhaqeko olungaka solukhona emndenini wakaMseleko. uMacele, that's what she says, ukuthi ukhaliswa lonto the fact ukuthi zibe zinhle ibe yinhle indlela, ibe yinhle uhambo lwabo endleleni, but lufike la selifika khona selingasekho mnandi khona selumuncu. And we see them going to a therapist and uyaqala uyachaza uMseleko ukuthi this is what ayidwebile, blah blah blah, and all of that and all of that and all of that. But the episode iphela uMseleko sethi the therapist yabuza ukuthi yikho, this is you, umndeni wakho. And when we see the painting uMseleko udwebe only four heads, and yasho ukuthi in between uMacele noMayeni there is uMasawula lo washona. Now uMseleko has 5 wives and umlobolile wayengekho usamkele lapha because uMseleko uzozama ukulungisa namhlanje, and he is very aware the fact ukuthi the wives abamthanda usamkele mostly uMakhumalo, so akafuna ukubenza babe upset. But now i-retreat enjani-ke le if singakhuluma amaqiniso, because we are here to speak okusenhlizweni zethu, to try and sizolungisa, sizo-rebuilda, sizokhuluma ne-stranger, sizosho noma yini esiphethe kabi, sizokhuluma kahle la, and asile ukuzombambathisa, sizoheal ama-wounds. What kind of wounds are we trying to treat or heal if ukuthi futhi kunezinto lezi esingafuna ukuthi sidiscuss, singafuna sikhulume ngazo? For me, the retreat was the very first or the proper place whereby uMseleko now puts ikhanda la Samkela. Samkela is the baby mama and the baby mama olotsholiwe. But anyway, the another episode is coming now tonight, so let's see if maybe he raises the topic abanye kulaba besifazane. But uyakhuluma la ku therapist ngoba usenoMacele, and the episode iphela kanjalo esakhuluma ke ukuthi I can't write, I can't edu Samkela here because they're going to be upset. Macele accepted the wife. There was no reason for Macele, even if Macele accepted Samkela for the fact ukuthi uzama prove a point kulaba besifazane, it's okay. But there's no way to Macele wouldn't accept laba uSamkela while eba acceptile le 3 wayithatha yonke way accept uMacele. So why kuzobela ngam-accept lento zani? I actually don't understand the reason why the other 3 wives don't accept number 5. Ngiyasizwa istory sami Makhumalo okay shop keke ukhala ngokuthi umuntu wangakubo and obviously uzele sithini esambali story wathini ngoba kuzo replace wena, but awumniki nje ucansi lo muntu yikho ehambe yofuna ngaphandle. Esamayeni sona story sithini why is onto Samkela? Please somebody remind me on the comments. uMacele ke na why ngamfuna uSamkela? Understand uMbali, I understand because uMbali wathi kuzo replace because number 4 sharp ngoba kuthiwa uyahamba. I understand uThobile ngoba ukhala ngokuthi ugel wangakubo and obviously usenengana kanayo. What is my Yeni story? Why is onto Samkela? Why ngamfuni? Nah. Anyway, let's meet up tomorrow again discussing Uthando Nesithembu because there's another episode dropping in tonight. But I'm going to see you again on another episode where we speak everything Real Housewives. 2 wives has been arrested. See you.
yazi ukhulume ngokuthi lamakhaza afuna ingobe namehlo manje ukhuluma la ngokulala yazi ngathi yabe ngizobusa
Athi ngibaleke.
cabanga ukuthi ngamongabe into engakaze yenzeke yo ungavele ngishiye la ngikhona ngijime ngiyengiyedwa